Welcome to Seraph. The goal here is perfect health. To be muscular, not fat. To be lean, not bulky. To be loose, not tight. To be energetic, not fatigued. And to have lasting results. I'm Light, and I'll be your guide to this goal. Alright, we're going to continue with the anatomy of the human body. So yesterday, we went over muscles. And today, we're going to go over bones. So we're going to learn, first of all, what bones are, and then how to have healthy bones. Now, if you go to the ends of your bones where they're connected, they're actually connected by something called cartilage. And if you zoom in on the cartilage a lot, you'll see it's like this pinkish thing with like a bunch of dots like in there. It's almost like pudding or something like that with like nuts in there. But those dots, those are cells, and then outside, we went over this before, but it's called the matrix. And the matrix, it's just a bunch of protein. In this case, it's collagen and elastin that's holding all the cells together. So your body, it's pretty much like this big protein fortress that like houses the cells. So that's the cartilage. And if you go to the bone, it's kind of the same thing. If you go inside the bone, you'll see that there's almost like a bunch of little tubes in there, kind of like how you have rings in a tree. You have like a bunch of those inside your bones. And running through those little tree trunk ring loops, poles, I guess that's what you call them, but running inside there are veins, arteries, and of course your nerves to send signals to the bones or to send nutrients. So what makes up those tubes inside the bone? Calcium, other minerals, and the thing that actually creates the bone, it goes back to kind of the cartilage thing. You'll see little dots in there again, and those are the actual cells. Those are the things that build the bone up or dissolve the bone. So that's what bone is in cartilage. It's pretty much just a bunch of minerals and proteins surrounded by cells that actually, create that. Now, what can you do to have healthy bones? Well, two things. One, you can get the right amount of nutrients, and that's vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, silicon, vitamin K, boron, vitamin C, copper, zinc. I'll link the scientific paper where it says that. But that might be confusing, of course, and people are like, wait, how do I get all this stuff? Do I need dairy? Of course you need dairy. Do I need this? Do I need that? And honestly, the key is just having a balanced diet, eating a bunch of different types of food, having protein in your diet, having a little carbs in your diet, some vegetables, having some some fats in your diet. Just getting the gamut of different kinds of foods so you can get all those nutrients. So in terms of getting the nutrients to your bones, just eat a variety of foods. The second thing you need to do is stimulate your bones. It sounds kind of weird, but the cells that make your bones, make the matrix that's your actual bone, they need to be stimulated in a way. You need to kind of send them signals so they know, it's time to dissolve this bone because it's getting old, or it's time to build up some new bone. So you need to stimulate them, and you do that typically through exercise. That's how you do it. So you can go to the gym, and of course, in Seraph, we have this thing called the fitness triangle, and every single day you do an exercise, and it revolves either around endurance, resistance, or flexibility. And that should be more than enough to stimulate your bones and have healthy bones. So let's do a little quick recap. What are bones? They're just a bunch of minerals, a bunch of tube-like minerals that are being taken care of by cells. how to have healthy bones. One, you need to get them all the nutrients by eating a variety of foods, and two, you need to stimulate them by exercising every single day. So that's bones.